Good day, colleagues. In this video, we're going to learn how to create the official university email signature and upload it to Gmail. First of all, you'll need to go to email signature, as you can see, and then you must first download the template. It's in Word format. Click on it. You'll notice it's downloading in here. Once it is downloaded, you open it. It's a Word document, like I said. Notice everything is messed up in here. I need to click enable editing in order to make sure that everything is back together. Okay, now you'll need to select which one of the formats that are here suits your need. Okay, so in my case, the first one is just fine because I created this template in anyway. So now what I need to do is to select this part of the signature where I would have edited my name, put in my title, the department I work for, numbers, and the email address. So now I need to click on Start, type snip, and then as soon as you type snip, you'll notice snipping tool comes up here. So just click on it, and then now I need to create a snip or a snippet of what I want. Okay, in some cases, you may find that when you open this window, it's like this. So you may want to drag it just away out of the signature that you want to cut out. Now you click on New, okay? And then now you notice you have a crosshair. So you use crosshair to move right at the edge from where you want to start cutting your signature out. It can be from any angle, whichever way you want. So I choose the bottom because we have the straight line. At the top, we may not necessarily know exactly what's happening. Okay, so now I select in here, and then as I select, sometimes it happens that you get distracted and then maybe it ends up like this. So it's not a trans mesh, no need to worry about it. All you need to do is to click on New again, okay? And then carefully move onto where you want to start cutting out your signature. And then now click your mouse, drag. Just don't release your mouse until you are satisfied. You're satisfied with what you want to cut out, okay? So now I want to make sure that everything is neat. And then I do that, and that at the top. Then now, yeah, I'm satisfied. This is what I need. Now I can release the mouse, and then that's my signature. Okay, so now I need to save this signature, which is a picture at this stage. And then, okay, I'm gonna save it under pictures. You can save it anywhere. I'm just gonna call it signature. And then select save. Okay, so now that it's saved, you can close in this. And then you can also close this Word document. Right. And now what I need to do is to go to my Gmail account. You can go straight to the address bar and type gmail.com, or you can just go to your service catalog under Google Services and select Gmail. Okay. Because I've already logged in, the computer is not going to prompt me to log in again. It's just loading. Now that it has loaded, all I need to do is to go to settings in here. Okay. And then once you click on settings, you'll notice just below that you have see all settings. Okay. And then I click in here. And then by default, it will be under general, which is where we configure our signature. So all I need to do now is just to scroll down to signatures. I scroll down until I see signatures. Unfortunately, I had already created the signature myself, hence it's already in here. So now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to delete it. And then it means that now you see no signature and create new. Okay. So now click on create new. You can call the signature anything you want. I'm going to call it chorus. and then select create. Now, this is the space where you can type anything else that you want to appear with your signature or the picture that you've created for your signature. In my case, I want to type regards so that I don't have to type regards every time I finish typing my emails. It's already in there. Okay. So now, and also maybe I may want to make a little space here so that regards is not immediately after the last sentence of my email. So now I need to upload the picture that we have saved on Snap-in tool. So I click in here, insert image, and then it will open this window. And then under upload, you click. Now select a file from your device, click here. And then I know I've saved my signature under pictures. I go in here. There's my signature. I click on it and then open, and then it's gonna upload. Okay. Now automatically it gets inserted in here. Can you see that? There's my signature, regards, and that's my signature. So the next thing now that I need to do is to save this signature. Because having uploaded it in here and typed everything, whatever you want, doesn't necessarily save it. So I need to scroll further down and then select Save Changes. But then before you save changes, you may also want to determine when do you want the signature to be used. For example, if you look here at the bottom, no signature, no signature. It means that when I create an email, there won't be any signature. When I reply, there won't be any signature. So now I need to select in here for new emails to say I want to use this particular signature. Okay. And then for all replies, I don't need to have my signature inserted every time I reply. Can you imagine if you are having a conversation via email with somebody where it's a whole long thread and then it's just going to be your signatures throughout? So now I don't need any signature for my reply. Now I scroll further down and then I select Save Changes. Okay, now I'm back to the main Gmail screen. So now when I create a new email, compose, you notice my signature is right there. Okay. So although it doesn't show everything, you can actually click in here just to make sure that you see everything that we are doing. So my signature is in here. Now I can type whatever I type. And then when I send the signature, it's automatically attached. So that's how we go about it. Thank you for watching.